The bar continues to rise. Kling 3.0 is here, and OMG, it's a massive boost from its predecessor, Kling 2.6. Here's a sneak peek of what Kling 3.0 can do.
Kling 3.0 is a huge step forward. It finally feels like you're directing a scene, not just generating a clip.
So how about we push it to the limits together? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. We are back on Artlist because they're always first with the newest models. And this time it is Kling 3.0 and all the variations are here. We've got Kling 3.0, Kling 03 in standard and pro versions. So here's what Kling 3.0 brings to the table. Multi-shot cinematic sequences in one prompt, up to 15 seconds of continuous storytelling, storyboard level control over framing, shot length, and camera movement, strong character and object consistency using image references, native audio with bilingual dialogue and realistic accents, and stable lighting, realistic textures, and smooth color transitions. And the best part is you get immediate access to this model inside Artlist alongside all the other heavy hitter models on the market today. So let's head on over to artlist.io. Of course, the link is going to be in the description as always. All right, let's do this. By the way, the following prompts are going to be super detailed. I'm going to go ahead and leave them in the description, and you are more than welcome to use these to copy or refine to your heart's content. I'm going to come on over to the AI Toolkit at the very top. Now, if you haven't used the AI Toolkit on Artlist, you're missing out. You got to check it out. It is unbelievable. We just did a recent video on the AI Toolkit within Artlist. I went ahead and broke it all down and put it to the test in real time. I definitely recommend check that video out as well. So on the left-hand side, just come on over and click on New Session. Now for this first one, I'm gonna start with a reference image. Here's my reference image. We have a pirate girl in a 9:16 aspect ratio. Now with my character uploaded, I'm gonna come on over to the models right here. And as mentioned before, all the variations are in here. They are brand new, with each of them supporting start and end frame, audio, 1080p, and up to 15-second generations, which is crazy stuff. So I'm going to go with Kling 3.0 Pro. Going to make sure we have audio. Going to go with a 15-second generation. And here is my prompt. Now, as mentioned, it is super long in detail, but that is because Kling 3.0 can handle this level of detail. My pirate girl is going to be approaching battle on her pirate ship. Cinematic look, the camera's going to pan towards her, then slowly circle behind her, and we're going to see the opposing pirate ships in the distance. Super cinematic, photoreal, dramatic lighting, epic look, grounded realism. And as you can see, I'm going to go with complete detail here with each of my shots. I also specified the audio and sound design at the bottom. Ambient ocean waves, creaking wood, distant thunder, and a low cinematic orchestral score begins subtly, builds in intensity. For this specific scene, I don't want any dialogue. Let's go ahead and punch this in. My generation here is super epic, follows my direction to a T, and the whole vibe and environment is on point. Also, we've got the perfect music and sound as well. Now, I want to try this again. This time, I'm just going to use a prompt. I'm not going to use a reference image. I'm just going to describe the pirate girl in the prompt. Everything else is pretty much going to be the same. I've got my main character description at the very top, and we're going to punch this in as well. All right, this one is just as incredible. And it really goes to show that the last generation wasn't a fluke. The realism, the vibe, the sound effects, it is totally on point. I'm seriously impressed. All right, for the next demo, we're gonna stress test dialogue and realism. So I'm going with a well-dressed realtor standing in a bright penthouse apartment during the day. We've got New York City in the skyline, and the camera's gonna begin to roll. And I've got a quick line of dialogue I want the realtor to exactly say. Let's punch this in.
Kling 3.0 is a huge step forward. It finally feels like you're directing a scene, not just generating a clip.
All right, the dialogue with this one is absolutely perfect. I've got to give it a 10 out of 10. Insanely lifelike. The delivery and tone here is off the charts. All right, for this next one, I want to create an intense World War II scene. So I want a close-up of a soldier standing on an open deck of a World War II landing craft as it moves toward the shore. Other soldiers are going to be tightly packed behind him, slightly out of focus. I want the waves hitting the metal hull, and the camera's going to be focused on the soldier the entire time, but with slight variations in camera angles. I also want subtle artillery gunfire heard in the background to really set the tone of the environment. All right, let's punch this in.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, here we go. Incredibly cinematic. Now, also in the prompt, I did specify that I wanted the soldier to clutch his chest and say, "I'm ready." All right, so there you have it. There's no doubt about it. Kling 3.0 has arrived with a bang. Now, I want to hear from you in the comments. What did you think about my generations today? Are you as impressed as I was after I made them? I'd love to know. Now, you can easily play around with this new model within Artlist.io. And if you use my link below in the description, you can take advantage of Artlist's limited time offer, 2 extra months for free with any annual plan. So with all that, good luck and have fun with your creations.